Good morning everybody, hope we're okay. Going over the last 2 days work where we've been working on our multiplication and divisions. I've noticed from the work being sent in that we're getting number sentences where we're just finding the answer. We're doing really well with that, so well done. Keep that up, okay, over the holidays, over weekends, just have a go at writing 2 number sentences with multiplication or division. Just have a go at working on them so that we keep using those skills and we remember how to work them out. Now, the ones with the missing numbers are the ones that we do find a little bit tricky. So ask your adults at home to give you some of those, just 1 or 2, okay, every couple of days, and just work on those. Keep working over those skills, okay? But when we do all come back, that's something that I'm going to work on with us all a little bit more. So please don't worry too much, okay? But please keep practicing those multiplications and divisions. Now, today, I'm going to go through the answers. So if you haven't done the task on the Wakelet yet, or in your activity pack, do that now, and then come back to check how we work them out, because I think that's going to be more useful today. So let's have a look. Really important with our problems that we're reading the questions. So question 1, match each egg box to the correct multiplication. So all we've shown here is the egg box, but it is as an array. So I'm going to match up what we have. I know I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and I've got 2 rows, 5 lots of 2. So, there we go. 5 lots of 2. Would help if I've put the pen on, wouldn't it? Let's have a look. There we go. I'm going to use blue today. 5 multiplied by 2. Now this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can see we have 2 rows, 6 lots of 2. There we go. Here we should hopefully have 5 lots of 3. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, 1, 2, 3 rows, 5 lots of 3. All right, let's move to the next question. Whoops. Now, let me move this down slowly. There we go. Question 2, Ben has 5 marbles. So I'm going to circle around that 5. Sometimes these questions are naughty and they'll put a picture and it's not the right number. So always read the question, okay? He has 5 marbles. Kemi has 7 times that number. How many marbles does Kemi have? So Ben has 5. Write down what you know. Ben has 5. Kemi has 7 times. 7 more lots of it, okay? So you have 7 times what Ben has. So I know it's 5 multiplied by 7 equals how many marbles does Kemi have? Can't count in 7s, but we can count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 marbles. Question 3. Sita puts 10 balls in each bag. I'm going to circle that 10. How many balls are in the bags all together? So we need to find out how many bags we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bags with 10 balls in. I know it's 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Please check that you have wrote 100 as that number. And the same with 35. If you have your digits in the incorrect place, it will not be the correct answer. I'm writing all over the board there. Let's have a look. Question 4. A classroom has 6 tables. So I'm going to circle this. Each table has 5 children sitting at it. Complete the number sentence to show how many children there are. So here is a table with 5 children. Okay, there are 6 tables. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tables. There are 5 children at each table. So I know it is 6 lots of 5. And I know that my answer is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. There we go. Let's have a look at our next question. Hopefully you're realising these are just all our multiplication questions so far. Now let's have a look. A shopkeeper has 20 fish and he has 5 fish balls. He's got 20 fish. I'm going to write that down. And he has 5 fish balls. He puts puts the same number of fish in each bowl. Okay, so he shares the 20 fish into the 5 bowls. 20 divided by 5 equals. How many fish go in each bowl? Now, you might draw your pictures, you might share your 20 out, that's fine. Now, 20 shared into 5. So I'm going to share it into 5, I'm going to count in 5s until I get to 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 times I had to count in 5s. He has 4 fish in each one. So if you were drawing out your dots and sharing the 20 into those 5 groups, which is perfectly fine to do, hopefully you could see you had 4 fish. Question 6. Ajay has 30 pencils. Okay, in fact, I'm going to wipe that off the top so we're not distracted. 30 pencils, and he shares them equally between 3 pots. Complete the number sentence to show how Ajay shares the pencils. So we know that we are dividing. When we're dividing, we know that the greatest number goes first. 30 divided by 3 pots equals. Now I find that a bit tricky, but I do know that's a multiple of 10. So I could count in 10s, but if I'm not sure, and what some of you may have done is draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I've gone wrong because now I've got 30. And that is what happens when we rush. So, because I've gone 30 and I know that's not equal groups, I'm going to start again. And you know what, Mrs. Eastwood, that is a lesson, okay? That I will learn that when we rush, we make mistakes. So we need to slow right down and we need to make sure we're putting those dots clearly. So I'm going to change my colour. 30. Slow down, Mrs. Eastwood. Oh, would help if we put the pen on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, 15. That is one. I'm just going to make it one big one. 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm really concentrating now. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ooh. Okay, so I know I've shared them equally now because I finished in that pot. What you may have noticed when I was doing them, I was trying not to put them too close to each other because when we put them too close to each other, we miss them, okay? So try and leave little gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've added them on with my finger. Yours wouldn't do that, okay? 10. I have 10. I also know that 10 lots of 3 is 30, okay? So sometimes drawing may be the best method for you. But if drawing, it is really important that we're not putting them really small or rushing. There we go. We've done you, we've done you, we've seen you. Oh, we've not seen you. Okay. Question 7. Use only these numbers to make a different number sentence each time. So we can only use 5, 40 and 8, okay? We can't use any others for the answer, only these numbers. So if you've used these, put a different answer in somewhere, check yours now and just pause me. 5 multiplied by 8 equals 40. So I know when I'm multiplying, I can just change these around. So 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. Now dividing, when we divide, which number goes first? The greatest. So I know that 40 divided by 5 is 8. I would also know that 40 divided by 8 equals 5, okay? The greatest numbers there, we can change where these are depending how many groups we have and how many are in the group. Let's have a look. Oop, too quick, Mrs. Eastwood, too quick. There we go. Question 8, Ajay has 20p in 2p coins. So he's got 20p in 2p coins. How many 2p coins does Ajay have? So 20p in 2p. So he's got 20 and we know we have 2p coins. Now, I've not got 20 lots of 2, I've got 20 in 2p's. So I'm sharing it by 2, I'm dividing it. I need to know how many 2p coins I have. Now, I know that the opposite of dividing is multiplying. What do I multiply 2 by to get 10? 20. The answer is 10, because I know double 10 is 2. You could put 2 groups, you could count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When dividing by 2, okay, the answer is going to be what you know is double, what we double to make that, so half of the 20. So I know, okay, to get 20, if I'm dividing by 2, I know I've doubled the number 10 to give me 20. So he has 10 coins, all right? Hope you've done okay with those today. As I say, keep practicing those number sentences as well, using dividing and multiplying. Bye-bye.